Hi everyone, this is Coral and I welcome you to World of Stories at Little Steps. For more stories, subscribe to the channel. Today we are going to learn the phonic sound for letter A. So let's get started. A. A letter makes two sounds. The first sound is a small sound and it is said just as we say the letter A. When you say A, you open a small mouth. The second sound is the one that we all know about. The second sound is a bigger sound. It says A. When you say A, you open a bigger mouth. So A letter makes two sounds, A and A. Let's see some examples for the small sound. Aeroplane. When you say the word aeroplane, you open a small mouth. Now say it with me, aeroplane. Also, the other word is air. When you say the word air, you open a small mouth. Come on, say it with me. Air. That's good. Ape, age are the words in which you use the small a sound because when you say these words, you open a small mouth and say it. Now let's go ahead and see what the big A sound has to give us. Ant, arrow, apple. Yes, we open a bigger mouth when we say the word ant or arrow, apple. Now let's see what happens if we say ant using the small a sound. How does it sound? If you open a small mouth and say ant, how would it sound? It would sound like ain't. But that is not right. Or in the smaller sound, if you open a bigger mouth and say the word air, does it sound right? No. So when you say air, it goes in the small sound. When you say ant, it goes in the big sound. Let us first learn the small a sound. Everyone knows what this is. This is aeroplane. Wow! That is a hot air balloon. Ate. Looks like this boy ate a lot of food. Now he's got a big tummy. Tape. When you say the word tape, it starts with the letter T as in T. But when you say it, it has the small a sound. Tape. Ape. Some more words with the small a sound are, say it after me, aim, age, able, angel, acorn, ache, account, arrange. Now here if you see the last two words, they are account and arrange. Again here it's a small sound because it starts with a. Now let's do the big A sound. Everybody knows this is arrow. Everybody knows what this is. This is an alligator. Axe. Apple. The most common A sound word, apple. Ant. When you say all these words, you open a bigger mouth. That is the big A sound. Some more words with the big A sound. You must say them after me. Angle. Angry. And. At. Am. Art. Ask. Are. After. August. Now here also, as you can see, there are some words which start with A and some are the ones that start with A instead of A. Now when you say A, it falls in the big sound. For words like ask, are, after, art, that is also a bigger sound. Even the word August starts with A. The sound is A and it falls in the big A sound. Oh, looks like we did a lot of studying. Now let's do a story. Ali is an alligator. Ali ate an apple. What is Ali's age? A-G-E. Age. Let's ask Aki. Are you asking me? And I am 5. That is my age. Let us go out in the air. Can you see an ant? She looks at the art. And what is that arrow? Oh, it is an axe. Ali, the alligator, ate an apple. Aki's age is 5. An ant looks at the art in the open air. An arrow points to an axe. Now let's do the small A sound words. Remember, you don't have to open a bigger mouth. You just have to say A. Just like how you say the letter A, similarly you say the small A sound words with a small mouth. Air. Aeroplane. Age. Ate. Ape. Ache. Able. Now the big A sound words Here you will open a bigger mouth. And, at, alligator, arrow, art, am, ask, axe, and, an. Did you say the words with me? If yes, give a pat on your back and keep practicing.